To add Apple Pay on Apple Watch. Start by making sure your Apple Watch is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of watchOS installed. Next, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap on My Watch. Then scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on Add Card and follow the prompts to add a new credit or debit card to your Apple Watch. You can add a card by taking a photo of it or by entering the card details manually. If you are adding a card that is already in your iTunes account, you can simply tap on Add Card and select the card from the list. After you have added your card, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. You may also be prompted to verify your card with your bank, which can be done through a text message or phone call. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Watch and you can start using Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the contactless reader. You will see a confirmation on the screen that the payment has been made. You can also view your recent transactions and manage your cards in the Wallet app on your iPhone. To keep your Apple Pay account secure, make sure to use a passcode on your Apple Watch and keep your iPhone and Apple Watch up to date with the latest software. You should also be aware of your surroundings when using Apple Pay and keep an eye on your account activity to prevent any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add Apple Pay to your Apple Watch and start making convenient and secure payments. Remember to always keep your account information and card details safe and secure to get the most out of Apple Pay on your Apple Watch.